Hi there. Technology is big business. Business keeps the world working. I would know. I'm in the business of technology. We all rely on unsung heroes. Know it or not, they run the world. Take this coffee, for example. Strong, reliable, and necessary. Without it, my day doesn't even start. Neither does theirs. But we all take things for granted. Your paycheck is automatically deposited. Your ATM spits out cash. But if we look closer, we might be surprised by what we find. Take this building, full of people and possibility. All thanks to its solid foundation, a mixture of concrete and human ambition. And looking back, I know that without a secure, tried and true framework, this whole place will be a house of cards waiting to fall. Mobility, we take that for granted too. Make calls, send emails, crush candy, even write code. Anytime, any place. And I would know, I've worked all over the world. We can do almost anything from anywhere, which certainly came in handy today. You want a team around you can trust to be there at the drop of a hat. Unsung heroes. We make the world work.